Hello, everybody. Happy Monday. I just wanted to hop on real quick and thank everybody who was able to attend our Strongholds workshop this past weekend. It went really well. I was recording it, and as I was recording, I felt to post this story. A lot of you who have been through Larry's classes know this story, and a lot of people love this story. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and we will see you guys next week.
Same school, I'm going to the beach to do evangelism. You know why you always do evangelism on the beach? Somebody's got to do it. I know. You know, it's nice and sunny and warm. So you do evangelism on the beach. On the way to the beach, you pick up a hitchhiker. Poor hitchhiker, right? A group full of people are going to evangelize. And we put the hitchhiker in a van, like, unless you accept Christ, you don't get out. That type of thing. Forced evangelism. Anyway, so the idea was, as somebody's talking to them, somebody else is praying. You know? And I started talking, and somebody else was talking. And when I'm praying, I get this phrase come through my mind, give me a peanut butter sandwich. And I told God, no. Because back then, my will, that's what I was using, never fed anybody. Their lunches were really bad, and I was always hungry in one day. They gave a peanut butter sandwich, and peanut butter only on one slice. That's how cheap peanut butter works. He knows, right? They didn't give peanut butter on both sides, come on. Put a little jam in there, so I was saying no. So I kept trying to pray. And the more I prayed, he kept saying, God said, give me your sandwich. And I crowd that voice out so bad. No, I don't want to, because this is all I get to eat. And a half and half, not even a whole half and half. And the guy got out of the, I kept debating, the guy ready to get out of the van. Well, I didn't give him my sandwich. I kept it. I didn't want to. I talked myself out of the odds. It's the devil. I didn't want to give him a sandwich. I rebuked the devil, everything. All going on all by myself in this turmoil. So I get out, we stop at a gas station, go to eat some lunch, you know, and then go to the beach side. Sat by a table, and I ate my sandwich really fast in my apple, right? No more temptation, no more sandwich, no more apple. I can't give it away if I don't have it, right? And I really tried to push up what I did in the van. It was up the devil, not in God. And this friend of mine named Mike comes walking out of the gas station with a tray, big bowl of ramen, soda, and chips. And he says to me, God told me to buy you lunch. Oh. Yeah. And I go, what? Are you sure? Yeah. Well, I took it, because I was hungry. And I'm thinking, why would he do that? So I ate it. And I'm thinking to myself, why would God buy me lunch? I just admitted then, I disobeyed God. I didn't even know he wanted sandwich. And he still bought me lunch. I hear this phrase, I was going to buy you lunch and I still am. I said, why? Because if I was God, and somebody else was Larry, I would give him such a bellyache, he would throw up 3 meals. I'd make him sick, they couldn't eat nothing for a day. I'd teach him a lesson. That's my picture of God. It is not God's picture. Later on, I found out, because I didn't even know then, that he said, the word rebellion, Larry, just very immature. Didn't want to give up my sandwich. Yeah? And I remember when he gave me lunch and started crying out again, God, who are you? Why would you